this is welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see something a bit specific, which is how to get unlimited storage for your email account. When we're referring to unlimited storage, what we're referring actually is about sharing the storage between your email account, the limited storage that you have on your account, and your local resources, your PC resources. So what we're going to do, we are going to File, then go to Info, Account Settings, again, Account Settings, and then move to Data Files, and we are going to create a new data file. So we are going to click on Add, and here we can create an archive called OMNIV7, and then press OK. We can see that the file, the archive, was created here. We can simply click on Close, and we will see the newly created archive here at the left. If we right click with the mouse, we can create a new folder called Inbox, and again a new folder called Sent Items. And then to reduce your usage of the space that you have on your email account, you can simply go to Inbox and Send Mail, in our case, and copy the emails that you have to this archive, and this will actually copy your emails locally. Why it's important to have this workaround is that in some cases when you are achieving your email quota, you are unable to send or to receive emails, and that could be a very useful workaround without deleting any emails, without being concerned about the communication with others. So you can actually go ahead and use your email without any limitation. At the same time, you need to keep in mind that you won't be able to find those emails on your email account, but locally on your PC. And the same when you are going to use the search option, you will need to choose, instead of current folder or current mailbox, you will need to choose all Outlook items to allow Outlook to look up for your emails or your items not only at the email account level but also in the archives. So I hope that this video was useful. Also keep in mind that this video comes along with a new feature that the OMNIIMAGO channel on YouTube has. So the videos in Italian, French, and Portuguese are now available, aside of English and Romanian, of course. So I hope that you enjoyed. Have a perfect day ahead. Bye bye.